Hey everyone, and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to have one of the best build out there. So all you have to do is make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you'll be able to enjoy what I have in this video. So the first thing to do is to first of all click on the settings icon here, or the gear icon. Once you click on it, scroll down and click on the systems option, and then here click on add-ons, and then once you click on add-ons, it brings you to this place. You click on it to enable it. Once you click on it, it brings this out. You just have to click yes. Click the back button on your remote. Now once you get here, click on File Manager. Scroll and click on Add Source. Then enter this URL the way it is. tinyurl url.com/digs repo 1. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then click on the back button. Once you get here, click on add-ons. Click on install from zip file. Click on DIGGZ repo. Click on wait for it to install. Then click on install from repository. Click on DIGGZ repository. Click on build program add-ons. Click on chef wizard. Click on install. Click OK. It's downloading and installing. Once it is done, we move to the next level. So make sure you use a VPN while accessing this accessing Kodi. The VPN will protect your IP address and protect your online privacy. Subscribe if you're new to this channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So it's still installing. As you can see, it's still installing. So once it's finished, we move to the next level. So it's already finished. So click on open. Click on build menu. So these are the builds here we're gonna choose. These are the builds we're gonna choose from here. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah. Continue, yes. And then that's it. It will install, and then we are good to go. Yeah. So that's how to have this build on your device. It's quite easy. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So as you can see, it's installing now, so it's done. So I'm gonna click OK to first upload. So subscribe to this channel if you're new. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.